What's going on, guys? Atio aka Dave here, coming at you with a brand new video today. And I know it has been so long, I think it's been a year now since the last time that I uploaded on this channel specifically. I'd kind of like to explain to you guys where I've been and what's been going on with me in my life. And I guess to start that off, what's been going on is I bought a new house about 7 or 8 months ago. It's my first house. I am 20 years old. So buying this house was something that I thought was going to be super easy, and it ended up being a lot harder than I had expected it to be. However, I have a really good plan in mind for what I want to do with the house. As far as what's been going on, I got myself into a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. I got 2 acres and a big pole barn, while the other house opportunity I have next year is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath with sort of like an apartment type bedroom on the second floor of the house. As great as owning your own house sounds, it's been a lot more expensive and a lot more difficult than I originally imagined it would be. As far as the payments and everything go, during the summer I didn't have any problem paying anything because I was doing tree work and I was making really good money doing that, plus having a second job on the weekends. I was working about 7 days a week every week, and I was doing about 60 to 70 hours weekly. Tree work definitely was a passion of mine. It was a crazy feeling being outside every day. And although that we were working about 10 to 14 hour shifts every day, it never felt like it. It always felt like you were with a family, just hanging out, having fun. And you had your times where you had to work your ass off, but it was always worth it in the end. It always felt worth it. It was a very fun job, and I can't wait to go back into it again next spring. However, once the winter hit here in Michigan, I got laid off the job that I was working at, so that cut my income substantially. A majority of my income every week was from tree work, so when I had to go back to my second job and explain to them that I had to go full-time as soon as possible, it took about 2 weeks before I got full-time pay. It was always a part-time thing, and honestly, I didn't really expect too many hours out of them because it was more something that I did on the end of the week after I already worked about 50 to 60 hours. However, now that I have to go full-time, now I'm praying that they do give me the hours that I need. It's been about 3 months now, and I'm still kind of skimming to get by. As far as my payments and my bills and everything, it's gotten increasingly difficult the farther throughout winter that we've gotten. It's gotten increasingly difficult to be able to pay everything on time, and I'm hoping that once spring hits, I'll be able to go back into tree work, have this job on the weekends, work my ass off, do YouTube, and finally start to get ahead in life. As far as the house goes, I've been able to pay off a lot, and honestly, I only owe about $30,000 more. And that may sound like a lot to some of you, but honestly for me, knowing that I will have my own house, my own property, after I pay this 30 grand off, I will not have to pay a mortgage, I will not have to pay rent. That is an amazing feeling. And what that does is that opens up a lot of time for me. I can get back into designing, I can get back into YouTube, I can edit videos, I can do whatever I want with that extra spare time. And that's not to say that I'm going to stop working as soon as I finish purchasing this home. However, if I need to, or if something happens, I know that I'll have that to fall back on, and that's a lot of money that you don't have to pay every month moving forward. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. In the next couple of videos, I want to go over the house, look at the numbers, show you everything, and I may even get a house tour out if that's something that you guys want to see. I have a couple of reviews coming your way, and then I have a sad story that I have to tell all of you, and that one will come in time. And also, I'd just like to plug here at the end that if you guys have ever thought about investing before, even if you have not, a very, very, very good tool to do this with is an app called Robinhood. You can get it on iOS and Android, and I highly suggest that you go down to the description below right now, you click that link from Robinhood, you get yourself a free stock, which all that is a share in a company, and it's free money. You could sell that stock right after you get it and get whatever it's worth. At the end of the day, even if you decide, oh, investing isn't for me, you still got that free money. So thank you guys very much for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.